Hey, it's James Nicholson, and I wanted to quickly talk to you today about why most businesses don't make money online. And it's a sad fact that most businesses actually fail. So over 90% of businesses fail. Even good businesses can go bad and not be successful. But in the online world, it can actually be a lot higher than that because lots of people don't use the right strategies to get customers. It's very different to the physical, real world. The online world is very different. So what most people do is they just ask for the sale straight away, and they just go online and they're trying to sell their product or service to people immediately. Now, what that does is it repels most people, and in fact, you're not going to get a good return on investment. It's going to be very hard for you to advertise effectively to get customers if you are just selling straight away. Now, what you need is to follow a 5-step process, and that first part is to give content and value, which helps position you as the expert. Then you need to capture leads, and you need to turn them into a customer with a micro purchase. At step 4, you're selling your core product, and afterwards you need upsells, and that's where most of your profit's going to be. Now, I'd like to show you a bit more about how that can work, and we can do that at the Internet Marketing Bootcamp. And I've got a free ticket for you. If you click on the link below in this video right now, do that now, you can get yourself a free ticket to the Internet Marketing Bootcamp. It's a life-changing event. Some business owners have come and made millions and millions in extra revenue in their business, and a lot more beside that have made hundreds of thousands, and lots have made tens of thousands of extra revenue into their business by attending that free one-day seminar. So click below right now, get yourself a free ticket, and we'll see you at the Internet Marketing Bootcamp. Cheers, guys.